So this is an OBD1, and OBD1s is when the government first started to monitor emissions. So the manufacturers had their own connections. OBD2 is when it went to a universal connector. So got it plugged in, gonna turn the key on and get my codes read. So I got code 54. Let's see what else it gives. 67. '51, so I knew I had that 51, 54, 67, and I think this one's okay. I got 23. I think that should be it. Alright, so that's all the codes. It just keeps going back and forth. So yeah, that's one way to do it, or can do the paperclip method and watch the light flash.